Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 10th, 2021. We're going to give you all the price prediction on Tattoo Chef. You guys can see that we posted a poll on yesterday in our community post, giving you all the choice as to which stock you would like to see a price prediction for. And Tattoo Chef is out close with only 36% of the votes to see a price prediction, right above CRISPR Therapeutics. So today's video, we are going to do a price prediction for Tattoo Chef, trying to make sure that we are in position to capitalize on wherever the price is anticipated to go. Before I break down that price prediction for Tattoo Chef, if this is your first time, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. It's relatively easy to gauge where price is going to go once you understand language analysis. So let's break this down real quick. I also want to give you all a very quick snapshot as to what our simulated portfolio looks like right now. We have 6 stocks currently in this portfolio. 2 of them are down and the other 4 are currently up in the market. We go through this portfolio a little bit more in depth on the weekend, whether or not we're going to take these stocks out of the portfolio and see which one we're going to add. Just simply wanted to show you that you can also do the same thing. Grab gains into the market as well as knowing when to exit out. There are plenty of channels on YouTube specifically telling individuals when to buy a particular stock, but they never come into the market and tell you when to exit. The market is never, or it has never been intended to keep you there forever. And I don't understand why so many people try to push 5 years, 10 years, 20 years of holding a particular stock. Now, granted, there are outliers to where you can definitely do that, i.e. Apple, Google, Facebook, like these bellwether companies. You can just simply keep those stocks there for the duration, for a long duration, but many others you cannot do that. So just want to give you all a very quick snapshot there. Let's break down this Tattoo Chef price prediction real quick, and let's get a gauge as to where the market is headed to go, because you see him right there on the bottom left side of this screen. That is the individual who controls the market. Nothing else matters. The only thing that matters is what he or she does to the price of these products. Okay, so when we're looking at Tattoo Chef, you need to put a face behind the crook and the criminal who is trying to trap us in these worst trading positions. So this is what he's been doing. This is what he's been up to as he's been creating this market in Tattoo Chef. All right. Now, as we look into the market on our last price prediction in Tattoo Chef, which was on February the 23rd, right here, we anticipated the market in Tattoo Chef to go lower in price. And there's been plenty of days to where we've seen the market in Tattoo Chef trade well within our price prediction area. So kudos, we saw that. We anticipated that that was going to happen. We wasn't surprised to see this market in Tattoo Chef go lower. So if anything, 10.19% profitability was created from that prediction. Now that it's done and it's over, we need to take that away. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this out. And now I wanted to zoom out because you can see in our last video, we created a support area right there around $19. And ultimately the market touched $18 on the 5th of March, which was 5 days ago. Okay. So now, are we in a uptrend into the market in Tattoo Chef? Let's see. I want to take this line right here, and I'm just going to simply take it to where the market in Tattoo Chef started its outward momentum and broke out. Okay. So yeah, for the most part, you guys can tell that Tattoo Chef is seeing that it wants to hold this overall trend in this space. We've seen it confirmed twice in the market in Tattoo Chef. Now, does that mean that the market is through with going lower, since we already came on March the 5th towards that ascending line? Does that mean that the market movement to the downside is completed? No, it doesn't. I wanted to show you this area right here as well, that we need to keep our mind and eyes focus in on, which is around $21 in Tattoo Chef. That area is the nearest area of restriction in the market in Tattoo Chef. The next area is going to be 22. So we have what, a dollar difference between the first and second areas to which there are sellers. Okay, that is where the sellers are lurking. That is where they are in position to push down the price of Tattoo Chef. $21.22. Okay, so let's take that away. And looking at the market in Tattoo Chef on the 3-day time frame, I like it. You know, I definitely see how the market in Tattoo Chef wants to, if anything, trade this area right here. Okay, I'm definitely not expecting the market in Tattoo Chef to break this ascending line that we just created. I don't see that on the market right now in Tattoo Chef on the 3-day time frame. Looking here on the 2-day, same thing, just like on the 3-day. On the 5-day time frame, you guys can see that, yeah, we endured some weakness on this current 5-day price bar, but we closed very close to the high of the bar. Okay, which lets us know that all of the selling that occurred in this 5-day price bar right here literally was taken out the way. It overcame itself. The strength overcame the weakness on this current 5-day price bar, which is very good to see that as well. Weekly time frame, again, 2 days, 10 hours left, but for us to see the market support itself right there at $19, then again on 20, it's good to see that too. Okay, so currently I don't see a lot of weakness in the market in Tattoo Chef. Now the 3-week time frame, definitely that last spread into the market lets me know that we are still in trouble, or the market has to really overcome this selling right there around $21 to 22. That is going to hold back the market from going higher. That's the only hurdle that is in the way of Tattoo Chef going higher in price. So keep that in mind as we create this prediction into the market. Okay, so what we're going to do, we are going to play the strength into the market in Tattoo Chef. Like I told you, I like the fact that we came and held $19 as support. Okay, that's going to be the very first area for us to establish the prospect of continued moving higher in price. The market cannot break that to the downside. If it does, we still have another harness that's going to support the market from actually breaking to the downside, which is this ascending line. Okay, which is what, about 11.87% away. Okay, now I told you $21 is restriction all the way here towards 22. So that would be the ultimate area to where we would take out the profit into the market on this prediction. Okay, $22. It might fall a little bit short. Okay, not an exact science, but that's the location to where we can see the inducement of more selling appearing. All right, right there around 22, which is around 7.5% profitability. So we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Tattoo Chef. Skim off a little bit of profit around 21 though, which is around 2.69% profitability, and then ultimately taking it out around $22. I definitely like what's going on in Tattoo Chef on a 3-day time frame. Okay, so at least what, the next 5 trading days or so, we should see the market actually make a biased direction as to what way it's going to go, higher or lower. Okay, but for the moment, this is it. This is what we're looking forward to into the market from the trap based off what he has laid down for us in the market in Tattoo Chef. Okay, so yeah, let's do that. So now it's your turn. What do you all see into the market in Tattoo Chef? Do you see higher price movement? Do you see lower price movement? It's simply easy to see and easy to understand. So let us know with a comment in the comment section as to what you all expect the market in Tattoo Chef to do over the next 3 weeks. Make sure you maintain that profitability and trade different.